Morning, engines! Morning, your Topham Hat! And today is the day you'll be doing a great exciting day of your own battle times. What's a battle time, sir? A battle time is you call it a Team Steam engines versus the diesel engines. So, who will be the judge of the Team Steam engines versus the Team Diesel engines? Me, sir? Allow you to do the honors? I would like to go first. Just because I'll do it the best engine I got. That's a good idea. Now, everyone, take your places and make a team. Okay, every Team Steamies and Team Devious Diesel teams, what else you have? So, who wants to be the judge? The judge? That'll be me, Thomas. I'll be joining the diesel engines. Well, that will be good. But if you only try using this. The train of war. You give a train of war. Now, you're coming? Oh yes, I'm coming. Count me in, Thomas. I'm coming with you. And I'm not gonna let you go down for that. You'll see what you get, Devious Diesel. Well, I'm guessing I'm gonna choose one. James! Yep, that's me! You're on my team now. Yay! Okay, you're next, Devious Diesel. Wilson? Yeah, chugs away. That's me. Let's ride whales. Alright then. We'll see about that. Coco, Gordon, Brewster, Ashima, Dunbar, Percy, Diesel 10, Rosie, Sydney, Matambo, Toby, and last but not least. Oh yes, pick me, come on, pick me. And Harrison. Sorry, Luke, it's my go now. Harrison reporting for duty. I wanna go. Oh! I'm sorry, Luke, but you're with us now. You're right, Thomas. I was going to be with us with you. So, Thomas, what we're gonna do, here's the plan. I'll show you what to do. So, here's the thing. You need to take a breathe out and give some air. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Oh great, this is boring out here. Oh, imagine that could be the Devious Diesel team. Maybe he might be good or not, but I'll give it a good try for that. So here it goes. Breathe in and out. So, as I say, all of you, and all of you guys, so you're always gonna do a great job, but today, failure is not an option. Understand? Yes, sure. Good. Now, focus your draining dream, and do it when I was saying. Now, do it. Yes, Master Devious Diesel. Hey, Coco, do you want to be in the, Thomas team anyway? What? Yeah, be Thomas team. But look, you're gonna get yourself in big trouble, you know? Oh, sorry, but I'm just having fun right now. Look, we're only gonna do for us, okay? Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, that's good. So, everyone, who knows about Devious Diesel rocks his own place? Devious Diesel rocks his own place. That's right. Who says Thomas is a loser? Thomas is a loser. Demon, no way, it's got to be. Devious Diesel earned his lesson. Devious Diesel earned his lesson. And also yet, Thomas Pups the Weasel. Thomas Pups the Weasel. Thomas Pups the Weasel. Huh? Hey! What are you doing? Uh-oh. That's right. Come here, you. Gotta go. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. There you go. I'm sorry to hate to tell you this, Thomas, but you left someone because he's a steam engine. Maybe he's an algae, so enjoy. You're right, Thomas. I could use a little help, but I'm not to do it. Okay then, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Hey there, Luke. What's wrong? It's so my fault. I can't do it because David won't put me on my team. Luke, you know, that was a bad idea. You know, it costs like Devious Diesel, who makes me really silly and steamy, but he's not a good Diesel, okay? Oh, you're right, he wasn't a good Diesel. I know. Hey, I'll follow your training. Really? Yeah, just follow me and then we'll go. Alright then. Attention everyone! Can I have someone to deliver the freight car, please? Freight car? Me, I'll get it! Just be a second. Okay, Luke, so this is the way they use it. So, I need you to deliver the car. The cargo will be fine. It's way hard, I can't do it. Give it a try, Luke. It's way easier than that. Oh. Come here, little cargo. Almost coupled up. Yeah. Yes, I did it. Lightning, I did it. I'm coupled the truck. Okay, what do? Do some more training. Okay, then. No. This is too hard. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Attention, everyone. All the steam engines and the diesel engines are ready to go. Okay, you guys, let's get going. Alright, right behind you, Thomas. It's just coming through. This is all my fault, Lightning. I'll never get it back. Look, just like Thomas does that. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Good job, Luke. You're doing great. Now, good. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Good job, Luke. Now you can deliver it. I'm on it, Thomas. Lightning. But thanks for letting me know. Okay, here I go. Be careful, Luke. Don't miss out. Welcome to the battle of the steam. Welcome to the battle of diesel engines versus steamy engines. And today the battles of when they win and also they'll get their trophy back. So who will win in this competition? Let's see what we find out. Hey, Thomas, I think we're about to lose. Don't worry, Percy. We got this. I know we can. Alright, everybody. We got all those diesel fuel ready? Let's get going. Oh no! I can't let the steam engines down. I must do it. I can do this. I know I can. Now be brave, Luke. I can do this better. Luke to the rescue! Trainees! Replace your magnets! Ready, set, go! Okay, guys, we're doing great. So, let's pull back so we can win this race. Come on, let's do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, diesel engines. Pull back! Pull back! Come on, steam engines! Pull back so we can win! We need to remove! On it! Yes! It's working! We're doing great! Let's get going! Got it! Let's do it! No! Back, everyone! Back! Pull back! I gotta go faster! Hang on, everyone! I'm coming! Come on, Thomas! You can do it! You can do it, Thomas! You can do it! I know you can! You can do this! Come on! We can still win this! Remember to pull back, everyone! Pull back! So long! Thomas! No! Oh! No! We see that, Jackson? Team Diesels are winning! Yeah, I hope they're gonna lose. Looks like the steam engines were gonna lose. Thomas is no use. Yeah, because we need more power. Oh no. We need more power. We're winning! Don't worry, help is here. Come on, steam engines! You can do it! Up and down! Up and down! Up and down! Up and down! That's it! Up and down! Luke, you're doing great! Come on, keep going! No! Don't give up! Don't give up! Up and down! Come on, you can do this! Yay! Whoa! Yeah! Hey! Yeah! Hey! Almost there! Whoa! No! No! Almost there, you guys. Yay! We did it! Almost there, you guys. We're almost there. You guys, we did it! Hooray! Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Hooray! Yahoo! Yay! What did I tell you, Thomas? Congratulations, Thomas. You did it! Now you can take care of your branch line with any Incredible. Thanks, Sir Topo. I know I can do better. As for you, Devious Diesel, I'm afraid you'll be mean to Thomas. Better than Chickix as well. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. There'll be a pleasure to see what you did. Well, good game, you know, Thomas. But you did great. Yeah, I always did great with my best pal, Luke. Well, I did. I knew I can get help. Well done for you, Thomas. You did a great job from that exercising. Yeah, I can get more than that. Let's say hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hey Wilson, Brewster, and Coco. I'm sorry I let you guys down. It's okay, we'll be friends. Yeah, just like friends, as always. If you want to be better than Harrison, you get to choose first. Really? Yeah, really. Okay then. Well, guys, Luke is in our team now. Yay, let's get some work to do.